Hello everyone, I'm Jeff from COMAX. Today I'm going to talk about UV resistance of PVC tarpaulin coated fabric with you. PVC tarpaulin material has good chemical stability and corrosion resistance, but poor resistance to high temperatures and UV rays. As we know, UV resistance is essential for most of the PVC tarpaulin we use in an outdoor environment. Generally, we use ISO 4892-2-A standard to measure the UV resistance of PVC tarpaulin roll. The strength should be not less than 15% of the original value after UV exposure after 360 hours. To improve the ability of UV resistance, prolong the service life of PVC tarpaulin fabric, we will add an anti-UV agent into PVC Formula, and of course, the cost is different. When you inquire about PVC tarpaulin fabric to us, please clearly tell us whether you need UV resistance and the level of UV resistance. Then we will quote you our best price according to your detail. Please get in touch with us if you have any questions. Thanks for your watching.